Today we will talk about the different types of vaginal discharges, but first we must understand what vaginal discharge is. Vaginal discharge is a yellowish-white discharge that can be thick, which may appear between menstrual periods. We must recognize that the appearance of vaginal discharge is normal in women, and it serves important functions such as cleaning and moisturizing the vagina. In addition, it helps to prevent and fight vaginal infections. It is normal for a woman to have discharge every day as long as it does not have a bad smell, does not change color, and is not associated with itching. Is daily vaginal discharge associated with good health? The glands of the vagina and cervix produce vaginal discharge. Let's discuss discharges. First, we must recognize what healthy vaginal discharge looks like. This discharge tends to be clear or white or even pale yellow when it dries. That is normal vaginal discharge. Now I will explain the types of vaginal discharges. Among them we have the white color. As I had already mentioned, the white or clear color is a normal discharge. However, if you have a white, lumpy discharge like curdled milk, thick, this could be a sign of a yeast infection. The most common, Candida albicans. Here you will even experience itching, redness, burning, etc. Then we have the gray color, which is a grayish discharge. This could be a sign of bacterial vaginosis, especially if the discharge is foamy or has a strong fishy smell. Then we have the yellow, somewhat greenish discharge. This could indicate that there may be a bacterial infection or a sexually transmitted disease. Then we have the red or brown discharge. This can happen just before or after your period. This can also be a sign of an irregular menstrual cycle or even menopause in some cases. It can also be a symptom of something more serious, like an infection or cervical cancer. Then we have pink discharge. This pink discharge can be caused by vaginal irritation after sex. For example, if you didn't use enough lubricant, or it can also be due to an infection or some medical condition. And in some cases, this can be a sign of pregnancy, which is sometimes referred to as implantation bleeding. Remember, if you have any of these types of discharges that you are unfamiliar with and that have a bad smell, it is important that you go to your trusted gynecologist. Dr. David reports.